Now you are in Santa Margalida's church, situated in the same placement than the primitive temple. The constructions and extension of the temple extended during the 13th century. Around the year 1320, the church burned and remained in ruins. This obligated people to move the church to a habitated oratory at the neighbor population of Hero until in the year 1336 the headquarters of the church returned to its original emplacement. The year 1607 it was chosen to reform the pulpit and the presbytery because of the fear of the danger of ruins. The year 1678, the Count of Formiguera made a donation of 1 square and 2 demolished houses to build the church staggered. The oldest construction of importance has been the mechanic clock of the bell tower. In the 20th century, the church has suffered losses and significant destructions, usually motivated for the poor state of the edification. Only in the receipt of medieval foliation and the income is concentrated decoration. The major portal, finished in the year 1679, presides the ample stagger that goes. The other portal is much more simple. The inside of the church presents two parts very differentiated. The nave and chapels, which are covered with vault and leaves room for a gallery of windows that are not yet completely open.